Chair. Calling the attention of Parish Priest of Sacred Heart, Reverend Father Lothu Sami, to kindly report at announcing booth.
Lily Festival 2022. Our chief guest, honorable chief guest, has arrived. I would like to request our honorable chief guest and the rest whom I will read out to kindly come forward and take the seat on the dais. Today's chief guest is Shri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Manipur. President Sri Kushim Vashum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary and Transport Department, Manipur. Guest of honor, Sri Dinganglung Gangmei, Chairman, HAC. Sri H. Dingo Singh, Honorable Minister, Social Welfare. Sri Lain Ining Tau Leisemba Sanajauba, Member of Parliament. Sri Leisio Keshing MLA. Sri Ramuiva MLA. Sri Megajandra MLA. Srimati Sarda Adhikari Mayum Devi, President BJP Manipur. Sri Wunlung Mang, IAS Additional Chief Secretary. Sri I.K. Muiva, IPS IGP Admin. Sri P.K. Jha, IAS Commissioner Tourism. Sri Krishna Kumar, IAS Deputy Commissioner, UKHRUL District. Professor P. Guningdro Singh, Vice Chancellor, Manipur University of Culture. I would like to request this honorable guest to kindly come forward and take the seats on the dais. Thank you.
Yarili Bohangaya Kalay delay, Natumna Bomda Kalay, Pomchi stage we Manga Yuvaki Kanganai made the Rangning Mikvai, Kalapam Mikvai, Panyung Saklushi delay, Natumna Ning the Clay Pomchi, and Mangava Krame Mikvai, Panyung Saklushi delay.
We would like to request the wife of Honorable Minister Sri Dinku Singh to kindly come up to the stage and take the seat on the dais arranged. We would like to request the wife of Honorable Minister H. Dingo Singh, Minister of Social Welfare, to kindly come up to the stage and take a seat. Thank you. We would like to request Sri Leishio Keshing, MLA 43 Pungyar Assembly Constituency, to kindly come up to the stage and take the seat arranged here. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the closing ceremony of the 4th edition of the Shirui Lily Festival 2022. We are honored to have Sri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, as the chief guest of the day. And also Sri Kushim Bashum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary and Transport Department, Government of Manipur, as the President. We have Sri Dingu Singh, Minister of Social Welfare, Honorable Minister, as the guest of honor. Sri Ining Tao Leisemba Sanajauba, MP. Honorable MLA Leishio Keshing, MLA 43 Pungyar Assembly Constituency. Sri Ramoiva, Honorable MLA 44 Pungyar AC. Sri Megajandra, Honorable MLA. Srimati Sharda Adhikari Mayun, President BJP, Manipur. Sri Bunlungmang, IAS Additional Chief Secretary. Sri PK Jha, IAS Commissioner, Tourism Department. Sri I.K. Muiva, IPS IGP. Sri Krishna Kumar, IAS DC, UKHRUL. Sri Professor P. Gunindro Singh, Vice Chancellor, Manipur University of Culture, as the guest of honor and special invitees of the day. We would like to proceed with today's program. So I would like to request the Tourism Department to kindly proceed with the felicitation. I would like to request the Director and Commissioner of Tourism Department to kindly lead the presentation. Right after this, I would like to request the event management team of the 4th Shirui Lily Festival to kindly take your time to felicitate our guest. Thank you so much, Tourism Department. I would like to request the event management team of the 4th Shirui Lily Festival to kindly take your time for the presentation. issue presentation ni kitiaw ka thak mai da kwikak vai sa se event management team ni request sadle presentation ni kitiaw mai ka thak mai da samik vai request sadle issue presentation ni ka thak mai da mi vai request sadle ye I would like to give time to Shri W. Ibohal Singh, Director Tourism Manipur, for the welcome address.
A very good morning. A very warm greeting from the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur. Honorable Chief Guest, Sri T.S. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, today's Chief Guest, Honorable President Sri Qasim Basum, Honorable Minister, Honorable MP, and Honorable Minister Sri Ais Dingo, Honorable MLA 44 UKHRUL, Honorable MLA Sri Sarlesio, and wife of Honorable Minister Sri Ais Dingo, all the dignitaries and invitees, and respected officers coming from Imphal, Additional Chief Secretary, Sir Bulmumang, Shri P.K. Singh, P.K. Zha, IAS Commissioner Tourism, President TNL, UKHRUL, representative of the UKHRUL Women Organization, representative of all the student organizations of this district. I extend my warm and heartiest welcome to all the dignitaries and the representatives coming from different parts of the state and the district to participate in today's closing function of the 4th Shirui Lily Festival. As you know, Tourism Department as a calendar event, we have been organizing this Shirui Lily Festival with a view to give awareness to the people of the state and abroad that we have a beautiful flower called Shirui Lily, which is a state flower and it needs and demand immediate interventions to protect and preserve the rarest of the rare flower, Shirui Lily. This festival has been witnessed for the last 3 days with mosaic of cultures, traditions, cuisines, so many wonderful presentations from different communities of the state. Because of the Shirui Lily, Shirui village came to the world. Because of the Shirui Lily, UKHRUL district made known to the world. Because of the Shirui Lily, Manipur is proud enough and said that we have a very rarest of the rare lilies in the world. The value and the importance given by this flower need to be realized and understood by each of us now. It is a very right and high time to protect the endangered species. So I would like to request particularly to the people of the Shirui village and the UKHRUL district to kindly explore ways and the means how we can go about to protect and preserve this rarest flower. In tourism, what we are trying to promote is the whole of the state. We are using different USP like Loktak, Sagol Kangze, Modern Follow, World War, Kangla, Ima Market, Shirui Lily, Imphal War Cemetery. These are all the products of the Manipur tourism, representing Manipur to the world. So we need to protect it, preserve it, is a demand in appeal from the Department of Tourism. My second appeal to the people of the UKHRUL is that let us learn about how to attract people, how to welcome the people. The most important in tourism, the most important in this tourism festival, Shirui Lily Festival, is to give our best hospitality to the visitors so that it will give a positive impression to the visitors and let them plan for the next visit. Aduna Maitelo on the Kitang Hazage, I Tanzazi am Tang Pangmarina, Ukuldazam, Toy Lapangam Davanina. I quit a tourism department as Sinjariba, tourism events, quite the Gimaru over the I quit a me Lapumatamda, me Pashaw in Ubio. Tourists are full of money. They came with full of money in the form of ATM, credit card, in the form of the bag, hard cash also. I quit Taugadaba, I quit plan Taugadabasi, Makois Ningtina, receipt to Viraga, welcome to Viraga, Makoi the Yauri Bopisaze, Akoi the Tada Halobuduni. magi fikal da yawri ba paisa mayam singse akhoi gi districts da ukrul districts da Shirui sinba matam sida magi paisa mayam je joro thadan bai wani thadan ba ji lahu ba si kamai lahu da gebu not by force nampu na nataba by satisfying him how ba mathel pizaraga the base of the base cuisine of the ukrul mabu ningthi ba yum ma da kam thambiraga phajaba seva phajaba ningthi na pelhan ba mong da akhoi gi hospitality du ullaga mangon du yaw ba paisa se lahu buduni ukrul Shirui Lily festival sinba matam sida aina uzabada see the traffic jam how many people mi kayam yamna sigi festival gi manung sida lak page do mayam amuktang yengbiyu it is your golden opportunity akhoi department sinjari ba function se festival ase district asigini district asidala visitor mayam lakpa matam sida paisa je ukrul district ki meide ba mi mayam jintina lobi ho noi nungai bi ho aduga ukrul gi economy se henkalan ji haibigi sigi motive ni akoina festival ama sillaga masi sida akoina khona jari base huge number of vehicles have been dropped akoi uzare Shirui gi angak pamagul ama leire prithvi na masak khangba hore Shirui se aduna hantak gi sahi sidagi hauraga mathang gi sahi gi plan ningthina properly phajana I tahunjaningi ai gi appeal se festival tawba matamda negative impression pi dana ba khoi yam section ba mathau tai karigino ebu tourist haibase usek kumbani sekla gumbani usek like tourists are like bird ningthina nungsina loiner gadi usek se adum akhoi ga leyu haba yai usek ama ai gi yumna tongbada aina sairong na nungna thomuragadi usek to suhan halakte aduna tourists are like bird bird ta akhoi na nungsina loina badum haidana loina biraga tourist la iba mayam sidagi akhoi na paisa lahoba yaba lahoraga ukrul gi economic growth se masi hankalan je na appeal tawningi my last appeal is that handaki sahi gi Shirui Lily festival sinbasida please don't mind ai masi ai department ama oibanina aina mafam chappa matam sida lakpiriba mayam jingsina aingonda piramba comment duni masi ai ngasi thamjage masi I don't have any ill feeling against the people of ukrul mayam tourist mayam laaga aingonda haibirambase lambida thatlaga paisa lowbase I think this is very bad practice masim tang ukrul gi lebiriba body organization mayam singsina masim tang khana biraga regulate tawbiraga haibadi there are so many points so many locations adu lakpiriba mayam sina ngaeba moina khalleba tourism department na sil tawrijala donation tawrij karigino they are coming to enjoy the festival and the people at different point different locations several locations have started asking to give money this practice is not a positive from tourism perspective so it will give a negative impression to the visitors so will affect in the next coming year masimatang ukrul gi lebiriba apex body lebiriba organization mayam lebiribana masimtang khanabiraga mathangi saidadi masimtang chumthokpiyu haiba wahi si thamjaraga ai mayam punamaku festival asida lakpiduna department sinjariba festival ase mapung phan biba asigidama department gi maikaidagi tawimal khangbu uchari thank you
Special thanks to our tourism director, Shri Ibohal Singh, for the inspiring speech he had given to each and every one of us. On the next, we have a choreography which is very, very significant for all that is present here this afternoon or this morning, because this is a choreography specially designed by all the tribes, artists coming together, giving out a significance to all the people present here today that we are working towards a better future. We are working towards a peaceful future. And therefore, I would like to welcome the artists on the stage to present with the song Hingmi Nasi Aikoi, meaning let's live together. I welcome the artists on the stage, everybody.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. ai coi hình hình na si mabo masilbi kalupang nagumsi
Irang amatani Lili hayat ang nagumsi
Pari mabo masilbi isi kalupang nagumsi Igi irang amatani Kenay hayat si ai coi hình hình na si ai coi hình hình na si ai coi hình hình na si ai coi
Bangin pa ko muti, pasa bangin pa ko muti, pasa bangin pa ko muti.
Hình hình na si ai coi, hình hình na si ai coi, hình hình na si ai coi, hình hình na si ai coi. Si ai coi, hình minh na si ai coi, hình minh na si ai coi, hình minh na si ai coi.
Hình gom del del hit tiêu, hình gom del del hit tiêu, hình gom del del hit tiêu, hình gom del del hit tiêu. Itzenang govel sungo, itzenang govel sungo. Pagsabangin pa komitiu, pagsabangin pa komitiu, pagsabangin pa komitiu, pagsabangin pa komitiu.
Hình minh na si ai coi, hình minh na si ai coi, hình minh na si ai coi, hình minh na si ai coi. goi rin cham kho akai goi rin cham kho akai goi rin cham kho akai goi hai ban tan di nam ta kun khâu ban di nam ta kun khâu mun Giêsu na bom cham đi ko mun Giêsu na bom cham đi mun Giêsu na bom cham đi ko mun Giêsu na bom cham đi ko Hình minh na si ai khôi, hình minh na si ai khôi, hình minh na si ai khôi, hình minh na si ai khôi. Hôm đám đơn đi Hikên na xin say warm sung na Hikên na xin say warm sung na Hey sa bangin pa kome me Hey sa bangin pa kome Hey sa bangin pa kome me Hey sa bangin pa kome Hình minh na si ai khôi Hình minh na si ai khôi Hình minh na si ai khôi Hình minh na si ai khôi
Hình minh na si ai khôi Hình minh na si ai khôi Tài vắng mà liêm lấy có gì đâu Tài vắng mà liêm lấy có gì đâu Lấy ra ngôi na sát min na si Lấy ra ngôi na sát min na si Lấy ra ngôi na sát min na si Lấy ra ngôi na sát min na si
Hình minh na si ai khôi Hình minh na si ai khôi Hình minh na si ai khôi Hình minh na si ai khôi
Tài vắng
mà liêm lấy có gì đâu Tài vắng mà liêm lấy có gì đâu Lấy ra ngôi na sát min na si 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 Hình minh na si ai khôi 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 Thank you so much. Just do like this.
Thank you for the beautiful number. Let us all give it up one more time for the various artists of Manipur. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to give the time to Shri Leisemba Sanajauba, Member of Parliament, for a short speech.
Mayam punamak ahanbada ay kurumjari ngasi sigumba marirak suba ay koigi Shirui Lily Festival asigi closing function sigumba closing function asigi chief guest hoina lengsinbiriba kai khumna jaraba Honorable Minister Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology Manipur, Sri T.I.S. Biswajit Singh, ahan mamaktada ikai kumnajari, loinana ngasigi President Sri Qasim Bashum, Honorable Minister and Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Transport Manipur, loinana ngasigi daista lengsin biriba Honorable Minister Singh ay amamam tangwena ming panjadre adu Honorable MLA Singh aduga ay koigi Hill Area Committee ki Chairman aduga thodo hendongna UKHRUL District ki adugumba Honorable MLA Singh aduga tholoma sibu sinbi lamgiriba ay koigi Manipur Government ki Tourism Department ki koigi officialsing aduga yaubiriba punamak aduga ngasigi thauram loisanba sibu akhoi yauba lakpiriba Manipur ki tongan mafamdagi lakpiriba tongan furuki adugumba akhoi miyoising punamakbu aina mayam punamak kai khumnajari loina media gi silinausing punamakbu sui kai khumnajari ai matam sangna lawjaroi akhoi sahi ani gumba akhoi corona covid na maram oiraga sigumba akhoi mayam punba yamna nungaiba Shirui Lili festival si akhoi sahi ani gumba lepure adubu isorgi thaujandagi hojik hairiba dugumba covid 19 gi akiba du khara phagibadagi akhoi handaki sahi si amuk akhoi pangthoktana marirak suba dugumba akhoi gi Shirui Lili festival si yamna mapung phana nungaina akhoi pangthoi aduna ngasai su haibikhre akhoi gi Shirui Lili state sigisu adugumba state flower wariba aduga malem gi prithvi gi mafam atai amata da su phangdaba adugumba akhoi gi lili Shirui Lili se akhoi punamakki adugumba yamna sengaba adugumba sorna pibiba adugumba akhoi gi tangnaba khudol amani haibase akhoi khudimangna lawsi aduna Shirui gi nungairaba Shirui Lili gi festival se akhoi na yauba lakpa matam sida akhoi na Shirui yengningdana Shirui gi adugumba singduda satana akhoi na Shirui Lili gi manakta changi adubu luribadi akhoi changba matamda akhoi miyoibanina akhoi na sinaba potsai phata haudi punamak akhoi hundoomba mafam chana thanamba se akhoi masi yariba makai tauroisi maramdi Shirui se yamna dugumba delicate oiba yamna akhoi gi miyoibada hairaga yamna masa nanjaba dugumba akhoi gi lai ama khangni mangonda amotba yade mangonda maga sana daba potsai magi manakta pusanba yade adu masima akhoi khudimangna akhoi ngasi lakpiriba adu matungda su tolokpa du festival singda akhoi Shirui se yengbada natana mabu soktana ba mabu karimta mangoda kaiba pidana ba se khudimona honamina si haiba si masoi thamjari aduga yamna nungsiba se akhoi Shirui Lili festival sina ngasi di kaidawi akhoi UKHRUL maruina tangkhul chilawang sina khundaba lam aduga ngasai akhoi haibi khre tourism haibasina khwaidagi changbase yamna phajaba dugumba hospitality si changi mi ama lakpa matamda harauna nungsina araiba pijadana yamna nungsina welcome toba receive toba changi mado aigi UKHRUL aduga ikhoigi tangkhul chinnaw singi damaktadi anoba nate tangkhul chinnaw singi makoigi hospitality se aikhoina khangaga leirabani malemda manipurda natana malem punamakta masigi hospitality se mase mayam punamangna akhoi singthanarga leirabani aduna tourism gi damaktadi akhoi UKHRUL se adugumba yamna chanaba adugum phamamani haibasi masu ai thamjari aduna yengbiu akhoi Shirui Lili sina ngasidi kaidore akhoi Shirui sarpa moiriba Shirui singsida Manipur gi tongan mafamdagi even mase ai mapandagi baula amgadana khali aina madu subject to correction akhoi Shirui yengningdana atopa akhoi state singde sula amgane khali adudi tokhlaga Manipur gi tongan ba jaga dagi tongan ba furuki mi mayam ama laga ngasi magi matam baksida mana sasariba Shirui Lili na saliba magi matam baksida akhoi mayam se amat toina akhoi se nuksina na mana konjan biba se masi jumagi angakwa magulamani aduna iroi loibadaina haijaningi akhoi Manipur sorna pitholokpa dugumba yamna nature gi oiba akhoi khudol mayam amana pik thalaba dugumba laiba amani tourism gi damaktadi yam hot spot oiba dugumba state amani aduna akhoi lairiba district khuding makse magi tongan ba akhoi masak naiba dugumba hai oiba yai lai oiba yai sa oiba yai loina leiba ngaktani aduna matung tarakpada hojiksu tawbiri Manipur government na matung tarakpada su atai district singda su sumaina akhoi Shirui Lili festival sinba dawna Tamenglong da su sili akhoi Kasai gi akhoi lemon gi sili sumaina mathang mayam se silagadi akhoi Manipur da leiriba akhoi Kangluphur mayam se loina sahim gi manungda mafam khudimakta Tamenglong da UKHRUL da Chandel da Senapati da More da aduga akhoi mau da akhoi se loina amumuk chahim gi manungda sumaina pundana akhoi mayam se akhoi kari haini punchal lagadi Manipur se amna nungai ba dugumba ekoi amatoi ba gi koi wakhal leiba aduga apun bagi ekoi gi pangan sagatpa ngamba dugumba ekoi gi yamna kanaba pot amu oigani haiba sai iroi lobida thamjari aduna gasiga sugumba ekoi marirak suba Shirui Lily Festival sinbiriba punama posoi thagasari aduna tekta kaidana horen aroi ba phau masigi nungai nungai ba program yamam sulairi horen atheng ba phau horen aroi ba phau se ati kai ama ta yaudra yawna phajana nungai na pangthokpu oisunu matungi lakada ba sahi singdasu ekoi mayam si amu hana undamina dana siguma festival se hena mapung phan si haiba wafam se thamjaraga ai mayam punomu thagasari mayam punomu khurumjari jai hind.
Thank you, Maharaja Leisiamba Sanajauba, Honorable Member of Parliament, for the beautiful message and an inspirational speech. Now I would like to give time to Srimati Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi, the President of BJP Manipur.
Koigi Manipur gi sarkar na chahi gi oina sinbi ba UKHRUL district ta pangtho iba Shirui Lily Festival gi adugumba ngasigi aroiba numit asigi dais to lengsin biriba koi Manipur sarkar gi kai khunna jariba Honorable Minister T.H. Biswajit loinana Kogi Honorable Karsim Basum, Honorable Dinku, Loinana Honorable MLA Ramuiba, Loinana Kebi, Aina Ikai Kumna Bouchari, Aduga Loinana, Dice the Lengsin Biriba, Ekoigi, Toidok and Dokna, Ekoigi District Singda, Ekoigi Taupu Biriba, local bodies, Gedumba Adaksa Impal West, Loinana Tourism Department gi Director Lengsin Biriba staff gi puna magpusoy ni kay kumna bautsa baga loinana ngasige sigumba function na sida leng birakliba puna magpu ay na toidok hendok na ikok non na kay kumna bautsari ihan hana ay koy puna magpu sembiriba ishor gi mapamda ay na ikok non baga loinana Ishorbu Tagat Jaba Pongduk Jari Amadi Ay Ikok Nonjari Maram di Karigino Haiba Matamda Waraba Matam COVID ki pandemic ki Chahi Ani Ay Koi Punamaksi Unagi Gadra Natraga Unareroidra Haibagi Adugumba Mikup Chahi Ani Haugraba Matungda 2019 da Pangtok Kiba Shirui Lily Hariba November da Pangtok Kiba Dugma Shirui Lily Adugi Matungda Ngasi Asi Ekoigi Shirui Lily na Maning Tamna Shirui Sing da Satpa Matamasida Me Jun da Satni Haiba Dugma Matamasida Ngasi Festival Asi Pangtok Pibagi Damakta Ay Yam Hena Sarkar Busu Toidok na Ay Tagat Pa Pongdok Jari Sarkar Yasugumba Matam Chana Paikat Piba Tabak ki Damakta Aduga haizening badi ay koi punamak na programa sige manung san na tabi kre ay koi punna hingmin na si haiba hingmin na si ay koi haidan isay sida piri ba ay koi da ngasay gi wakalol amakhakti karino haiba matamda isay adugi compose da yauriba Manipur da lairiba ay koi community kuding makna Aikoi Manipura se Santi Laiba Apaba Iramdam Mama Oihan Gadabani Aikoi Punna Aduga Nungai na Hingmin Nagadabani Haibagi Wakalol Amakak Aikoi da Piriba se Masimak Ay Ngasigi Asumba Shirui Lily gi Loisalakpa Sida Tauram Masigi Festival Asigi Yamna Mapung Paba Wahantok Amakak Pangi Haibasisu Ay Mayangi Mapam da Tamjaningi Yam Seng na Aikoi matam gi matungina ngasi Shirui Lily Festival UKHRUL da pangthoi UKHRUL da leijaba तोंगान तोंगान बा सब डिवीजन सिंगल लैरिबा अखोगी मांगदा पनबिरमे कचाई की चंपरा सिरारा खोंगी मोरोक तमेंगलोंगी चंपरा बिष्णुपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट संगाई फेस्टिवल तोंगान तोंगान बा आइगी लैरिबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट सिंगसिदा लैरिबा असिगुम्बा अखोगी खंगटपा यारबा अदुगुम्बा पृथ्वीगी मफमदा लैतबा मणिपुरदा टॉप टॉप तोंगानबा लैरिबा अखोगी मफम सिंग असिदा पुथोकजरिबा प्रोडक्ट सिंग लोइनना लैरिबा मणिपुर की स्टेट फ्लावर स्टेट एनिमल हाइरिबा फेमस होइरबा सिगुम्बा सिंग असे मफम तोंगान तोंगान बदसु तोंगान बा अखोइना चिजिनबो हुमजनबा यौदबा कया अमसु लैरमखिगनि हाइबसे अइगी आसानी अदुना ngasi ngasi mak अखोई पुनमकपु पुनसिनबिरिबा अखोइबु नुंगसिननबगी लंबी अमा पुबिरइबा असिगुम्बा सिरोई लिलीगी फेस्टिवल असिदा मपुंग ओइना मयामदा थमजनिंगबदी अखोई पुनमकना ngasi मणिपुर असिदा अखोइगी ओइरइबा फिवम चाही चा कयादगी अखोइना लैरइबा अखोइगी पुंसी मरेल अदुगा ngasi ngasi mak program asibu organize tawbiriba sarkar asi lakpadagi honga iba ahongba hairiba ahongba singase masi akhoi khara matam sangna asigumba angak patungan tungan ba mayamama purak pangamna na ba hotna bada tinbiriba praja punamakki adugumba support changi haibase masi masu ai thamjaningi aduga akhoi covid ki pandemic ki matamda waraba matamduda अखोई अदुगुम्बा भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओइबिरिबा नरेंद्र मोदी जी ना अखोई पुनमकपु फ्री वैक्सीनेशन अमकक पिबिरकांदा फ्री वैक्सीनेशन अदुना ngasi अखोई पुनमक अमगा अमगा उनबा याबगी अदुगुम्बा नुंगाइरबा मणिपुर की अखन्नरबा स्टेट की अदुगुम्बा फ्लावर की ओइबा फेस्टिवल सिरोई फेस्टिवल असे पांगथोकपा ngambagi khudong chaba pibagi damaktasu अइहाक भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हाइनिंगाई लेतना आई थागत फोंदोकजरी अदुगा आइना अरोइबो आइना मयामदा हाइजनिंगबदा याम हेना कैसु हाइनिंगाई लेते अखोई ngasi लैरिबा अखोगी स्टेट फ्लावर असे योखटसी अदुगुम्बा उखरुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट लैजरिबा स्टेट फ्लावर असे योखटपगा लोइनना टूरिज्म की सेक्टर दा उखरुल दा कदाई भाव योंगना अखोइना डेवलप तौरगा टूरिज्म चौकट अलगा अनएम्प्लॉय मैम की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व तौना तोान तोान अखोने एंगल कयादा स्टेट असिदा कानब पुरक्नब होननबदा अखोई पुनमक सरुक यामिनसी अदुगा लाकदरिबा सिरोई फेस्टिवल काइदना टेक्ट काइदना पांगथोकप ngamnanaba ईश्वर की मफमदा निजरगा अखोई चौखटपा शांति लेबा अयिंगबा अदुगुम्बा अतोप स्टेट का चांगदमनबदा तादबा अदुगुम्बा स्टेट अमा ओइमिनसी हाइदना हाइजरगा पुनमक पुखुरुम.
Thank you so much, Srimati Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi, President of BJP Manipur, for the strong and powerful message. I would like to give the time to Sri H. Dinko Singh, Honorable Minister, Social Welfare, Fisheries, Labor and Employment, Skill and Entrepreneurship Department, Government of Manipur, for his short speech.
A very good afternoon to you all. Ayahan Bada. Shirui Thagachari. Agaloina Loina Nasi, Shirui Festival ki closing ceremony. Asiga Mari Lena. Hogi Pangtoi function. Aside da Hogi Daista, mention Biribaduga. Nasi chief guest Toina. Pambiriba, Nuxijarba Giamba, Honorable Minister T.S. Biswajit, Ayahan Mamaktada Ikok Nonjabulona. Aikai Kunjabu Chari. Agaloina Loina. Hogi President ki Pamlang, the election Biriba. Honorable Minister, Nuxijarba Igi Uncle Kasim Wasum, Aikong Nonjabulona, Ikai Kunjabu Chari, Agaloina Lenana, Honorable MP Sri Iningtau Lesemba Sanazawa, Aikong Nonjabulona, Ikai Kunjabu Chari, Honorable MLA, Ay Uncle Ramuiba, Bharatiya Janata Party ki President when Taupubiribi, Aigiche Sarda. अरुगे MLA आइगी याम्बा लेशियो केशिंग अरुगे MLA आइगी चन्नपी केबी अरुगे लोइना लोइना ना आइगी नुक्सिजरबा आंटी Adaksha Imphal West ki Nene Taruni ai kong nonjabu loinana ai kai khnujabu chari agu loinana ngasigi asigumba function asideda achobu role logiriba hoi tourism department ki hoi officials sing aduga DCs aduga high ranking officers mayam punamak aduga police personnel hoi punamak ai amukhanna ai kai khnujabu chari aduga loinana ngasigi asigumba function asibu haubudagi loiba bhawa coverage pibiriba electronics and print media gi ai maruma pangsing chinau sing hoi punamak ai kok nonjabu loinana ai kai khnujabu chari ai kesu sangna haninga lekte yamna marik chumba yamna important hoiba wafam mayam ama thambirame aduga yamna marigu oiribadi hoi mamangda hoina ihan hanna hoigi Shirui festival hoigi BJP government lakpa matamda hoina yawgibadu yamna adugumba yamna historic moment amu oigi aduna chammanana hoi madugi matungda amuk anirak suba tawruba matungda amuk corona na break leruba matungda hojik amuk hangdoa kanda corona gi hojik khra free orpagi tanja silor kanda amuk Shirui festival yawa fangbase ai haninga leitana ai gi site gi nuai ba fawi haidana ai hanmok to da maina thamjaningi quite first time that he just MLA when yaw ne do handakti minister when yaw base amuk hena nuai ba fawa haiba tare ado mayam ne nuai re ai kasu ai gi site gi ai gi department gi mari leina de maruina hoi gi tourism gi sector da hoi tourism na sinba adungba program oibani na maruina hoi Manipur yamna tourism da potential leba adugumba state ama khakni hoigi yamna kai haib tare hoigi world da kwaidagi hoina sonari ba lily hoi Shirui lily kwaidagi tangna phangba atai prithvi gi mafam atai da phangdaba adagi plus hoigi sangai ari na hoigi state ki animal oriba aru state ki flowers oriba sigumba tangna phangba adugumba sing ase hoigi Manipur da phangba se hoigi di yamna laibuk phabne haidana ai amaina thamjaninge aduna hoigi Manipur masagi senmino leite hoigi industry leite kol karkhana leite adigi atoba toba hoigi resource leite ba state ni aduna hoi state ase run tongna no hona bada develop tongna no hona bada hoi center dagi hoi sen gi adugumba kano tawse mayam si sen gi problem se hoi kano da center da depend tawe aduna maruina hojikti hoigi tourism sector da tourism gi jaga si de hena potential leibani na masidi da hoi main oina masida focus to changi haidana ya maina thamjaningi maruina hoi ukrul da hoi Shirui khatang leibagi hoina Shirui se world da khai ma matomdani haibagi hoina madugi keno da chatpana taba Shirui se phajai masi hoigi state ki flowers ni haiba dum chatpana taba ukrul da Shirui khatan natana ukrul da leiba mayam ama fajaba magi floral fauna adigi leiriba weathers climate adigi leiriba mioi masak matau fajaba mi mayam ama sigmo mayam ama hoi yamna attractive oiba touristing attract to ba mayam ama leigre aduna sigumba se hoi supplement to boina hoi gi director na haramba hoi hospitality hoi mi chang matamda hoi fajana mahoi bu treat to ba mahoi fajana welcome to ba haibdo adu number 1 hoi masi darkar hoi masi hoi gi ukhru khaki wanate hoi as a whole hoi Manipur gi oina masi amna darkar oi adana khalle maruina hoi Loktak lake is one of the freshwater lake in Asia aduna mai tawdana hoi resource leitaba kaino se hoi resource leiner bo hona bada hoi tourism sector se hoi hena chaklan ba darkar oi adana ai gi thamoi gi oiba tendakpa moto thamjabani aduga for example aina thamjabada atopa world singi atopa countries mayam ma se hoi gi Malaysia Indonesia adagi atopa se Bangkok mayam ma leigre adi tourism da torkan da masagi country se hena chakolak nabagi kanu oibase aduna senmilon do pharabani na hena develop to oire dana ko aduna mai tawdana hoi maruina hoi gi tourism se hoi miyeng changba focus toba hoi darkar oi aduga laiba praja mayam su mase hoi gyan ta darkar oi haidana ai maina thamjaninge aduna ayam chana haninga lekte no wafam khris thamjarakanda ngasi yamna nuaire ngak ore basu hoi ukhul site da laga ngak hoi festival si yaw fangbase ai sorbu haninga lekte na thagatpo phongduk chari haidana so ai thamjaninge aduna lairiba ukhul gi praja punamak yamna santi leiba yamna nungaiba yamna peaceful oiba isona pibirasanu haiba hamse thamdaraga ai mam lagi tension jari mam punamak pukhurim jari jai hind
Thank you, Honorable Minister Shri H. Dinku Singh, for the inspirational and motivational speech. Now I would like to give the time to Shri Ram Moiva, the Honorable MLA of 44 UKHRUL Assembly Constituency, for a short speech.
Ngasi 28 May 2022 4th edition state level Shirui Lily Festival ki closing ceremony the chief guest Waibiriba Honorable Minister Mr. T.H. Biswajit Singh adoga maga loinana lakbiriba Honorable Minister Mr. Kashim Bashum Honorable Minister Mr. Tinko Singh adoga Honorable Member of Rajya Sabha Maharaj Leshemba Sana Jauba ado BJP ki President Madam Sharda Devi adoga Tayasta Pambireba MLA Mr. Leshio Singh adoga Madam KB other dignitaries state level ki high ranking administrative secretaries, the police officers, press and media, and friends. Mayam gi convenient oina ay Manipuri da wahang amani haijage. Shirui Lily Festival tawbishi ekoi Chief Minister and Biren Singh na 2017 da haukibani. Aduna in a way ma gi legacy ni ma busho yam tagajari. Shirui Lily shi ekoi na state level hain tawbishi yam na nungai ba pauba event amani haibadi Shirui Lily shi ngasai Maharaj na haiba gumna Prithibi da only Shirui Ching da phangba endemic flower ni 1946 da Scottish botanist Frank Kingdom Ward adoga mai nupi Maclina Selina identify tawkhibani adoga mapani na world da Shirui Lily shi popularize tawkhibani 1948 da International Flower Show Chelsea London da Prithibi da khwaide phajaba leini haina award phangkiba Shirui Lily ni aduna mana Shirui Lily shi magi nupi ki maming Lilium Maclina Seli haina thongbi ki bani Manipur government na 1989 da state flower on biki adu matam ge state government shu yam ehoina thakachari Shirui Ching she it is not only Shirui Lily throughout the year lay shatba chakani matam amada 1990 91 92 93 da aishida tc oingai da Manipur ki TGP Andrew Little IPS Mashi Madhya Pradesh tekini on deputation da lakpani he was a passionate plant hunter ni mana singja meidegi plant hunter expert ama puraga tha khuding Shirui Ching da ma chatpani ma lakpa khuding da SP UKHRUL Harjit Singh Santho yum da we chakjai aduna mana ingon da haiba ama lei mana Shirui Ching da ka bada orchid she 150 varieties species of orchid chi mana phangkibani aduga Shirui Ching da Kotai Canal da leiba IS officer retired amaga mai nupi shi plant hunter ni mohoina Shirui Ching da kakhatlaga wild roses mafam ate de phangdaba wild roses yam phangki aduna aina IS senior colleague ama oina chak chaba invite tawki man aingon da haye Shirui phangrei kasonggi wild roses si Prithibi ate de phangdi haye Shirui Ching shu rhododendron she both red and white animak phangbani angang busu phange angau busu phange rhododendron si Sikkim Uttarakhand Arunachal Mizoram Nagaland Senapati su phange adu ayam badi red color oye Shirui gidi animak phange angau busu phange angang busu phange aduga throughout the year lay she makhal she cha cha haubani Hujik Shirui Lili Equina celebrate Tauribeshi. Kadi Haigadra, Jehi Kuting Karakra Piction Ba. Shirui Gimin Haya Egonda. Yamna sturdy way but dwarf bamboo. Anemba bamboo she. Magi ruti fitur tret taba. Adona loine invite Tauri Haye. Adu Karamina Kangadra have the Moin Ego the High Hangbalae. Shirui Gimina train shuka fit Mangagumba. Adu train Shimakadis Adum Changba Magi Ruti. Adun Karamina dwarf bamboo, wild dwarf bamboo she. Hadgadra have she, Moin Egon the Yamna Haibalae. Matam Amada in a North Eastern Council wedding Aida, Secretary wedding Aida. Shirui Lili she conserve Downonaba, preserve Downonaba. Promote Taunanaba aina 11 crore sanction Taukibani. Peshadu aina IPST Takel Parta P Kibani. Hujik Jehi Ahum Were, Hujik Shumoi Tabak to Hau the Banine. Adona Mohoyi Director Anobalae, Professor Mukherjee, Director was in the High Krabani, Equi Mantri, Biswaji Sabneshu, High Krehaye, Tuna Tabak to Haunaba. Aina Matam Siam Lojoroy, aina UKHRUL Towngi. UKHRUL history, Hundung history, kitang hiding ba amalaye. Kadi no hairaga equi marakta most honorable Maharaj Leshemba Sanaja Wishidalaye. Equi Tangkulgi Adoga Maitegi Shu Lichen Ahalamangi Itihasta Shuman Haiba Malaye Lichen Itihas Haigadra Tain Mamangaida Hundungi chief she. Machanupa ahum lerami adom badu tambakta ma okthi bachat pada chatlaga tambakta lekhi mana tambakta leraga matam amada maitegi Maharaj tauhi haiba wari leye aduga magi great grandson amana Shirui de laaga Shirui gi Shirui Philavo haibadi ningthaugi machanubidu Mapani she they fell deeply in love. Ma she Shakol Tonga Topal to Rendalai. Nung Shangkong Yobaganda, Mangsor cave ki limestone ki tunnel amaleba. Mana tunnel the Kakalaga, Mangsor cave she chamber Mangataruk lebani. Chamber Amaduna Mapani ki romantic rendezvous. Unapam way Haina Equi legend lebani. Shirui Philavoga Maite Prince. Mansor Kifi Chamber Amada Mabani dancing ground, rendezvous, Unapam Laye Haina Equi teaching that the Aduma Wariam Labani. Aduna Equi Maharaj Leshemba Sanaja Wushu Musi Haining Bani. Maharaj Neshu Hundung Ning Taushi Mayam Bani have recognized Waibagi Hundung Tawai Chow Haina title P Bani. Aduna Hundung chief ka, Equiji Hundung Kunda Labani go Jixi. Shigi chief ka, Dambagi Maharashe, Machin Manauni have she, Tainagi, Equiji Wari, what I lay have say Mayam, the hiding bunny. UKHRUL town she yam, big rubbershoe, climate yam hajaba, fresh air, scenic beauty, Aduga Equiji Tangkulgi culture. Yamna Kauba Yaroi the Amalaye. Shungahan Changhan Haiba. Shungahan Changhan Haibadi. Hospitality, politeness, generosity to the guests, to others above self haibani. Mi bu hena khanba adugi culture do yamna chanarambani hujikti adugi aidi revive the wishi ai mafam chatba khuding da kungkang khuding da aidi mashi haijabani aroi bada ai mashi haining ba amalaye thaina mamangai da 1950s kumbada UKHRUL Higher Secondary School oja shi tambak tagini Mana Equi Tangkul Nupi Singbo tribute Piba Amalabani. Mana Shom the Gi, Tambak the Gi Pasta Lagba, Lamlanke, Hana Taina dear Lamlanke, Chelami. Sorok she Timan Badegi, the purse sway left and right. During the target, Rana Nupi Majashing the screamed over. Magi Shamsu Adum stand Dawi Haye, Kiman Badegi. UKHRUL hek yawbada police bazar wino bazar man atum koi bachat bada ihan hanba numitishu leshabi mayamna amay taurala kumgira kaurala kakat ke dara adum hange hai Fazairala chakcharabra tamu haina adum hange ma he was deeply impressed ngasai amna kiramba lampendo ukhrul lakbada yam nungai jaki adum ma na chehi mari manga sida adum yangbada tangkhul nupi singse magi brother Shillong da Guwahati like them bachat baganda bus station da petting si ma hoina puba nungthin da moi lo de chatle ayuk ja ising so e phau su re chak thonge mohoi brother sing halak baganda di ising asaba da khongchu mohoi si wash to bire iru bire mana dum meite oja sin yang bada as tangkhul nupi sing sidi compare to ningai leite prithvi da they could only be compared to the twinkling star in the sky hai naman ikibani 1974 da class 9 manipuri tambani manipuri class 9 10 da maite oja gi article 2 class 9 test ki 10 ki textbook oina sijinarami 1974 da hojik di khangdre adumaina ukhrul gi mina di violent law and order yam lay impression lay awai bamakti ukhrul gi mi she peace loving adoga muhoyi yam phajaba culture am lay sunghan changhan ai basi mayam na di khangramoi aidi hojik akhoi naharol na su adung ma phajaba culture tu revive tawse habse ukhrul mi bu su haining bani laklipa ichin inaw mayam maru aina tambagi mi bu su nakhoi na sumain lakbasi akhoi yam nungai ngaran nahan 3 days ai Shirui venue da thum chatle ayuk tagi evening phau se mi lising si Shirui ching da kakhat pani ayamba 90% ai di tambagi mi ra khali adu yang mata ai thamoi da yam ngai balai ya si ai haining bani Shirui lili si next year dedi ai di henna more grand o haining hai bisi ai koi state pu su yam thakat chari kon su chei khuting sumai tawroga henna chauna nungai na tawse ha bisi hohai amani si haijaraga ai mayam gi pitai laujarage thank you.
Thank you so much, Shri Ramoiva, Honorable MLA of 44 UKHRUL Assembly Constituency, for the words of wisdom. It's always a pleasure to listen to your speeches. Now, I would like to give the time to the President of the closing ceremony, Shri Kushim Washum, Honorable Minister, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department and Transport Department.
Sigumatan jase Shirui liligi aroi wanui closing ceremony sida pangbi bagi damak aduga maruin na khogi weather si hawan numit sidi yam wana khalarmaga ngasi aroi wanumit chi egi mamangda pammanari bal tiles da vvip smayam noi lapatigi nong je phabra haina idi masiam haroje hawan numit di amwam ni wakhanje dung sigi numit sida akhoi chief guest wena langbirek riba akhoi honorable minister DS Parijat sorry saw yadre egi mixing a cut up the holder malai akhoi honorable Biswarjit che moro enengsi ngarang sisu akhoi amware amoka light si laktab dige mayam na ji khangroi akhoi hojik akhoi honorable minister si akhoi khu district tamak tadi last year su ngasi su ngarang hinsu khudak ta light si akhoi khudak ta lakhalaga ngarang success to hon basu ai ngarang Shirui digi leading sida yam akhoi Shirui praja gi mamang mayam gi mahuta masi phamdok chari sikaloine na masi now tingo minister magi Mrs. ka konan lakbiba thajaramde ngasi program da yawjosu sikumba function ji da closing numi sida lakbi bagi damak yamna nungai ba phamdok chari aduga aigi marup ining thau sna chawba MP UKHRULꯒꯤ program khudingda pikrapsu chawrapsu adum lakpiba ngasi program da yawdrapsu lakpibagidamak yam nongaire UKHRUL madanasu akoi ningthaubusu respect le nungsu yam nungsie mathangda so amok lakpiro aduga ngasigi function sida ID present speech biro right ngasi tal saling chiriba ai wakhan nongai manda mayam se UKHRUL si nongai drabnina handak Shirui lili si nongai dabra an lakoidra hairaga akhoigi BJP president state ki president aduga akhoigi ojaga ma nupagal konnan lakpiba akhoigi BJP state ki president madam Sarada Devi busu yam haroba phondokjari sikaloinana ngasi function sida nahansu bema si sister si nansu amar lakre program na yawdrasu nahan Shirui sida lakpiraga ngasi su amuka akhoigi KB handakta nauna karaba honorable MLA si majaga konana lakpi bise ngasi su aigi harawa yam phondok ninge ngasi function sida hojikda aigi mamangda lepiriba ta amairam ngani 44 sigi MLA ma sigi organizing entertainment gi su aduga reception gi su chairman ama wena ma ngasi masigi Shirui lili fourth Shirui lili festival sida yam wana ahna ma were su magi festival da tobi begi damak ta su masi su e amna nungai ba phongthok chari aduga phungyer council sida karak ba inaulesio Numi kuting sida tumna na ngarang chale ngisila nahan chale amuk ngarang lai aduga mana handa culture akhoigi chairman nama wena mana tobi ramba aduga Shirui da bandhoki ba jati kuting ge state kuting degi tribe kuting degi mana shuna masida akhoigi Shirui sida bandhok ba sida cultural gi performance kumsi sina khwaidi gi nongai hene asisu inaulesio MLA nahakbo yam thagachari aduga egi nongai basu yam phongdokchari Sika loinana akhoigi Daniel Preston aduga colleague sing aduga Shinalong aduga khun asigi ningthau akhoigi humbun aduga ijinnaw akhoi tangkhulgi village chief mayam festival asigi tama khana nokhoi mayamna akhoigi Shirui lili pangthokpada lakpiba ningthau nokhoi busu yam thagachari noibu laibak baba oisno sika konnana District asigi Deputy Commissioner aduga magi makhada leriba STO ADC mayam aduga subordinate officer mayam na khoi mayam na nokhoi ne success to hanbani haibisi su misisu acknowledge to ninge aduga konna akhoi gi district asigi SP aduga SP degi haraga constable ba nokhoi mayam na chaba tumba khangdana nokhoi mayam na wabi ba akhoi chinnaw police officers aduga akhoi police mayam bo egi nongai ba yam phondokjari aine huji phongthok charipse akhoigi district level gi organizing committee district mayam gi wena chairman ama oina AC meeting su ama phawa pangthokte maramdi phabdan minarabdi telephone amarak tawbuda akhoi myam ji phabna minabdegi akhoi manungda krisu akhoi yana digi akhoi handak si pachan pangthokba sida aina district sida leriba telos mayam noibu su yam thakajaba e phongthok chari aina krisu nokhoida aina common bidrab su nohoina ayamba je hekta loibiramraga phajana pangthokbiba nohoi miyamda su e yamna nungaiba phongthokjari siga konnana hanthaki sida sigi thaiso khangde TKS khangde Shinalong Merngalong hainga haigedaba weribdi matam sangna lorni nohoi miyambu su egi nungaiba phongthokpa asi nokhoina su accept tobiro faidigi muru oibsi ijininaw media person sing nokhoi handak Shirui lisidam phajana coverage piba aduga akhoin doba ngamdaba akhoin soiba mayam du nokhoi cover phajana dobiraga akhoigi newspaper mayam na nokhoi phongbiba sisu noibo yam thagajari akhoigi aranba leirib su nokhoi constructive advice piraga nokhoi mayam na media personal nokhoi mayam na akhoibu coverage biba haibasidi yam haroji mathangda su akhoigi awat paleirib su nokhoi masi phaningai session birga nokhoi media da kanna mamangda hayangde gi jatka dorba sida su nokhoi yamna madeng bio haiba sima sisu e haininge se sinumi che aina khwaidigi nongaibsi asina marirak shure ai Shirui Lili ki festival sidadi ai di city palace di hoi wasu yam wai nungsu yam nungsie khallaga tawroi si yawro harasu matam lakrab si misi thatok pangam de akhoi maroina handaki akhoi ki honorable chief minister ki lujingba makhada BJP government makhada akhoi na hojik alliance hoina NPF na su sikumba suruka malone akhoi ki government sida buminadun leading sida akhoi ki government sida ju corporation maroina akhoi ki major party BJP ni ju corporation biraga handaki akhoi ki Shirui Lili akhoi hauba asikumba tanja phangbi bagi damakta akhoi ki honorable chief minister adu council of ministers mayam aduga ruling da yauba opposition leader mayam ngsi function ni da yaudoba nokhoi mayam basu akhoi UKHRUL sibu first when 2017 sida Shirui Lili si state level da bukhat piraga festival si nokhoi na akhoi budget phajan hapiraga akhoi first si hauba asida ji khra trial na harga mathang dom noairakba asi khallaga akhoi gi sargar pairi ba hojiki honorable chief minister makhada lerba minister sing MLA sing aduga party ki president aduga nahaki collection mayam da su akhoi district asigi prachagi mahuta aduga district da leriba akhoi government employee mayam gi on behalf da misi agi nongai ba si phongdok japani se aina akhoi hojik akhoi mamang da akhoi tourism department na matet ama hairamba handak se akhoi lambi da shen khai hapsi last akhoi che tuki knowledge lerme dubo noine misi da sense jong na lo bi roi da mana akhoi si handak si government khaktana akhoi si masi success to hon ba si government gi pesa government maintenance ngak depend over yadab dige akhoi na manage kha tawda atugumba akhoi gi organization atugumba angangsing na kha khachik ding gaino torsu masidi nokhoi gi festival da noine donation lobni donation pim ne lorga masida tongan na kha chapik no haibsi su ai si masidi ai nokhoi mayam da appeal to janingai akhoi gi Shirui festival si hoi state gi festival ate de su le akhoi myam na witness toy ngarang hingsi pungani baba ai tumdre egi yum thakdu da ka khalaga kari thor ka la bu egi wakhan na yam na nungai ba ai pi ta ningai ngarang Shirui Lili da akhoi si pungni pan phame madu da halakpa ima ibasing ahan mayam si damda lakba ichinau sing nokhoi mayam na Shirui da kri sulai da nokhoi na madu cooperation Shirui Lili si da nokhoi na akhoi cooperation bewa ina nokhoi mayam na ka khat padu kumrak padu yang na ka wakhan chi yam benje aduga nokhoi mayam na akhoi UKHRUL si da kri sulai drabasu UKHRUL da chatke hana imphal da chatpa madam da hojik ene dam na imphal da kari lite hai ngsi si mayam si UKHRUL da lakran masi yam haro jamni masi yam haro aduna aigi present species aidi harau bangakta nungai bangakta nokhoi mayamna T6 da nungsi binuna akhoi tangkhulna akhoi gi aram la kya le haibsu nokhoi madu khanjadana hanthak nokhoi mayam sina yamna cooperation mina kari baiba minsu kari da lakpa ahan singna UKHRUL da kari sop ude si ubda yam haro ahan sini kari yam ubda su yam haro ba misule kana gumba imung khradi laira basingna khong da Shirui ba khong na chapdu uraga yam haro e aduna mathang jahi dadi masida ke hana bhajana akhoi Shirui Lili festival si state ki mapung phana akhoi si next year si akhoi na masi celebrate tomne se haipsi haninga masi aina district ade da compare do bagi wan ate adubo akhoi hanthak si last year su akhoi gi Shirui Lili festival da UKHRUL da mi lakpa masida kari lakpa masida mi tinba sida events asuman chawna toba sidi ate district ka compare do ruchi masida di khichik ding budget wang khalab su phagatra haiba sima su ai sima su panjaninge handak si mayam si sida leiriba khanba si bhawda su akhoi si nel 1 crore ba mafam ani humda domni na akhoi gi awab su asumle aduna handak si nakhoi mayam na cooperation bi damakda yam harau jare nongai nang sinumi si closing da nongai leirege gi sinumi Shirui Lili fort Shirui Lili si egi damakdi misina khwaidi gi nongai ba Shirui Lili na khalaga somaina si speech relation jarege egi present speech biro herga di nongai ba khakda songang bisi nokhoi mayam na su masi shobing no ai misi madasi panbige Ising rabing aji Shirui lili hili. Tiao meka in appeal sangaye. Shirui lili hi government ni pesa jom singa ka samnim ko. Ising rabing atang iuma mangli in hang hai dada. Itumna ram kangate pesa local with tax hiya kuilga ngasai to break saji ajugum hiktarak sokji katadarak sokla ji hi materam ne ka hiktada sagala itumning sangroblaga songfli Rombasi wa jamram kecika, basi wa jamram jikta kerjum tingla. Next year hikta hi musukli kafai, hiwi meramitra ka tungsong yan lang han kung jangare janle. Please san hikta tadi next year masami kafai. Tutum katong ali seak sa ning soda kupone ning silagare.
Thank you so much to the President, Shri Kashim Vishum, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary and Transport Manipur, for the inspiring speech. I now would like to give the time for the speech to our chief guest for today, Shri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Government of Manipur.
Good afternoon, everyone. Kunamaku khurumjari. Ngasi Shirui festival ocean bagi moment asida koi yamna nungai ba aduga hena Shirui festival si makha haning chatha haning bagi mipung khudimukta pharong gadabo mali aingonda su phawi haibsi ma amukta ai haijege masima. In fact, Shirui lily, the particular flower which is available in the Shirui hill only, in the entire world. Amana is said by our Amai Ramiba. It is already known to the world since 1948. And explore in the world. But somehow, because of the lack of our effort to explore the particular flower, it is like, akwai mipam khudimakta nauna akhona khan bagamdana lakhibani habsima ai masima ai haijage aduga lona na akhoi ngasigi Yamna nungai ba mana. After the formation of the new government led by Shri N. Birenji, Sigi Ladiba Posia Quina Ladiba explored the Wadabani Aduga Aquida, any expert or anybody might come in our state, but ultimately, Kanane act or Kanda flower say, Natraka festival say, promote or Kanda Kari, Kamana. Lakadage socio-economically, any kind of the currency, the weather have see and Biren Singna. Maglicing Makadi, the Senor Gahodo Sina, continue to re have him to I people's Tangasi Tamzake Machima. And then I can see Honorable Minister Shri Amai Kasum Bashum, President of the today's function. Honorable Minister Shri Ais Dingo, Honorable MP Rajya Sabha Shri Lesemba Sanajauba, Honorable MLA Shri Ramiba, Honorable MLA Lesio Kaishing, Honorable MLA KV and Lady Bai Kwegi, Mrs. Honorable Minister Dingo, Aduga Kwegi, Party give when a quiet give Kwemiamna, Nungchi Jaribi, Kwemiamgi, say Hayden Kweko Jaribi, Party President Srimati A. Sarda Devi, Aduga Kwegi Impal Weski, Adax and everyone on the dice. Kunamakwai Kaikunaba, Uchari, aduga mangda lengsin biriba Manipur Sarkar gi makpok tongba official singi manungda ngasi closing ceremony da witness biriba Shri Bulumang IAS Additional Chief Secretary Government of Manipur and his missus aduga lona na akogi district asibu akogi district asigi administrator oibiriba Shri Krishna Kumar IAS aduga lona kwai dige maru oiba ngasi ma akoina pangthok lebe event se si puna maksibu krai de soiga de na wholeheartedly aduga loss of the effort spent of Viriba Administrative Secretary of the Tourism Department Shri PK Zahaji aduga Loina Tourism Director Shri Ivohal aduga Loina all the dignitaries and special invitees aduga maruina ngasi UKHRUL ge SP aduga directly ba punamak adu party ka kaya kata punamak aduga ladies and gentlemen media friends aduna ngasi festival, let's see how this festival is very important, and I should say this is the most important festival what the government is trying to promote, through which we can generate our employment, through which we can develop our socio-economy. And this is the festival through which everyone got the opportunity to showcase all kind of the availabilities in the UKHRUL district, all the varieties of the food, all varieties of the produces, and many things. And even in front of us, there are so many stalls. They are showcasing their products. This is also a good opportunity given by the festival. Aduga loina na akhoi leiriba akhoi si ai nga sajigabni who will come to explore this kind of the very precious and very rare flower. Anybody can come, can advise us, can suggest us, and can give us money, but who will act it? We are the people, particularly the UKHRUL people. They have to promote more and more and protect and conserve this particular flower. This festival is becoming very important because since long, different communities, for the last many years, festivals in the Maram Organda, so many people from different places of our state and even from abroad, even from the other states, like City. Adamasi socio-economically, tourism da promote Tausinakana was working a Simak Upange. I say the most important thing is this lily, the flower, because of the lily unifying the communities. And exploring the Manipur's rich cultural heritage also. Adana Masi Akoni Yamnamar Webini Habsi is data Hijabani at the Shirui Lily Festival si Akoi Leriba Manipur Sarkargi Yam Namaru Iba Iben Ama Ina Lokatpa Galunana Akoi Leriba Tourism Department gi effort amani to make a responsive tourism and also to save the increased awareness among the people to conserve this particular important flower. Aduga lona akoi leriba ngasigi festival si koi tourism department na kai ke tamak conceive tawkibno highway su akoina akoi sustainable tourism ama akoina promote tawna ba aduga lona na akoi leriba flowers si sib kamai tawdana conserve tawgana have say to give an important to conserve this particular flower. aduga akhoi yam nungai ngasai akhoi as mentioned by our amai Ramuiva. Since I joined a new responsibility of the Forest and Environment Department, I in fact discussed this particular matter because why this particular flower is becoming smaller. Some of the factors already mentioned by Amai, and apart from that, I have discussed directly with the director, and even the money has also given to the IBSD. And now, even then, they have not started yet, but they have again given the money to CPWD, and they are trying to construct one, this laboratory or something, I don't know the particular, the work, what is happening in the Shirui Hill. But somehow I came to know, so they have not started the work. But I have insisted and suggested them, even if they have not completed the particular, this laboratory, so you can start at the present laboratory. They have agreed, and I might have done some, like the field work also. This is some sort of the, gari hai tare, I go under concern oibado, I know we have begin taba, I koi tauri have do sarkar jina, I nate. The responsibility people is done by the government only. Aduna so long, koi piglai ba posi kuire, adu thibiram da base, laibak thiba amani have aina tamjaning idi. Aduna ngasidi, we are meeting all together here, we are having fun, and every event is happening. This is because of this festival. Once it is extinct, so who will come? Who will come to see the particular flower? So that is how aina kari mayamda appeal tawning badi, we need to save this particular flower, and we need to inherit this particular prestigious merit of the flower to our generation also. Aduma ai hainingi aduga lona and one important thing is on the opening day of this first particular festival, CM already highlighted for construction of the sustainable infrastructure, particularly for this festival Shirui Lili. Aduna ngasi sigi posi once sagargadi lairiba ngasi state level ke lairi posi national level lakani. At the same time, we can cater many customer from abroad. Aduna ngasi lairiba posi adaki daida ini amna nungai bijabaji tourism department na honorable chief minister ki reaching makha da honorable chief minister na akoi particularly festival ki akoi lairiba meeting tabu matamda akoi lairiba posi social media da oiro akoi lairiba puna maksing si yamna kan focus tabu si wali haibadagi director na sunga si silakanda toan ba media toan ba lairiba punok si silak pase si mak akoi gi ngasi di akoi na 1948 ta akoi na explore to gi ba amadi khang gi ba photo ngasi award phangi ba photo masi mak akoi na media di hen highlight to pala dagalai maram di next year dadi akoi lambi ju pharani adagi infrastructure ju lerani moina lakpa matam da angakpa mo oire har kan da madun hen sanduaga masi angakpa destination ama oina bagi sembada mayam na encourage to view adu cooperation pbu adu pb dana sulai adu hen pb na bagi appeal to jabani haidana adu masi akoi honorable chief minister bu thagat pam toi because magi initiative mayam si part amu oina ngasi kone pangthok pangami bani haibase ai thamjage aduga akoi leiriba ai mayam da appeal tawning base akoi ngasi so much of the event adu I feel, and even everyone will feel makoi ki thamoi da nungai ba aduga akoi ki joyous moment soina makki feel tarungane habi jai ga chitpa wakal da lei maram di akoi leiriba pung ani ahum baukta Shirui lili Shirui lili gi leiriba posida mayam si awaba khangdana nungai bagi wakalon da tawrakanda leibase sisu part of the life heavenly. It will extend our life, definitely I can say. aduna adu haiba aigonda phaujabado ai mayam da sum share tobani aduna ai mayam da hainingi because of the koi Shirui Lilis gi matung maram jina maram waraga koi ngasi pulle nungai ba event mayam yeng phange adu bo koi ngasi gi closing ceremony da lairiba locality gi akoi we have 3 MLAs here aduna koi mobilize to bom sangi because maram di akoi ki particular event si not only for akoi ki festive kaimda muttang akta chatpanataba sigi value adu sigi merit puna maksing je khangmin aba darkar leibani na masi akoi matung dagidi akoi leiba puna maksing se akoi ki leiba nungai ba isai ama to bagi da leiba pot puna maksing je ngasi official oiba post at least have an RD akoi share to minar ka na masi tawmina bana chungani ha basi ai gi appeal tawjari aduga lona lona na mayam da nungai tabi kari gi wafam amata najade ai tawmina ba darkar lei ha bisu ai thamjage aduga aina loisalakpada I really appreciate the tourism director and his team and everyone who is cooperating to make a successful event here at UKHRUL. Aduga I really appreciate whatever they have spent their effort to make, I repeat again, to make a successful event here in the UKHRUL. Aduga, Lenana, most importantly, all the receptionists, all the persons, they have tirelessly given all kind of the hospitality to everyone who come over here at UKHRUL from different places. That's why I really appreciate all of them. Aduga, I will ever remain grateful to you all for such kind of the hospitality. Aduga, lona na, I koina loishalakpada I amakak haijage. Shirui Lili si ai sum khalle phambada phamaga sum khalle khamma matamda khalla kanda miyo bagi brain na leiringai akoi lepa naite thought process haibasi development su lepa naite haibasi sab chana ngasi amasu an example oina phangi madudi karino ai kanda Shirui Lili itself a lovely word, and I think it carries 4 lovely words. What is that? That is the Shirui Lili, Lily, Lily, I love you. So let's love forever and inherit such kind of love among us and from generation to make a united Manipur, a kari haitare. Yam harmony leiba, yam peaceful oiba state and developed state ama ngasi akoi leiba akoi dream tawjariba akoi ngasi tawriba puna maksing che because akoi ngasi tawramba haibase akoi puna mak akoi achievement pangi. We all want achievement in our life. How to achieve, when to achieve, that is also very difficult to mention. Adu akoi ki life si Karino Hamatamda, our life is very uncertain. We cannot predict, everyone can't predict everyone's life. Aduna kari tawdare akoi aduna ngasi akoina promote tawba akoi kanjab tawba aduga forward singbu akoina masi hena fahanna ba hodari mayam se ngasi se the most important word in our life is now. So let's achieve it now, let's promote it now so that we can grow and we can strengthen our time, the present, so that we can create a better and the brightest future in our life and in our society. I thank you once again all the participants and all the customer. I should say the customer is very important for such kind of the event, because customer is just like a goat. So everyone is treating to the God. So if God is not praising, God is not showering all kind of the strength on us, so we cannot fulfill anything. So whatever we do and whatever we are trying to do is because of the God's strength. So let's pray and let's praise pray and praise the God so that we can do more and more than what we expect. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much to our chief guest for today, Shri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Honorable Minister, Environment, Forest, Climate Change, Power, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Manipur, for the inspiring and enlightening our perspective on tourism. I now would like to welcome Horyaula Kushung on stage for a special number. The time is given to Horyaula Kushung for special number, which will be followed by vote of thanks from Shri Krishna Kumar, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, UKHRUL.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's a special announcement. We'll have a very special event just before we start the Shirui closing ceremony in the evening. An event called Encouragement Event to the promoters of Mithun will be conducted in the form of lottery. So anyone who is interested to be a part of this event can come and avail the lottery ticket from the backstage. The ticket amount is 10,000 rupees, and the prize for the lottery is the Mithun, which is showcased at Shirui village. Mithun is being promoted because it is needed in a commercial scale, large-scale production, which will give an alternative to jhum cultivation, which will help the economic growth of the people in the rural areas. So anyone who is interested in this lottery can come and avail the lottery ticket at the backstage. Thank you.
Hello, 2022 Shirui Lily Festival asida ngasi aroiba numit ni aduba ina haining badi kana gumbadi nungai da pasu phangba yai kana gumbadi khut memory nungai ba matam su oiba yai adubu ngasi masa masa gi leifam da handringai ina haining badi kiamuk nungai da ba phanglasu nungai ba baw si tambi se hebse ina last haining 22 Shirui Lily Shalom jilari samike. Hello. Kushia onga so no be ring pa mai lu na tu wi shung za sam phang ma sa khana Shirui li a tâm chi li li shi da mơ sa ba Ada we bang shapina Aju kana wa zimik shohili Hangji pundale Ringa pa chanba unghang ngerok se 22 Shirui Lily ringa pa shalam Ram hi aina hang chi phun de le Kanau dui hi aina so da kaya kama khờ vạt lấy hai xa lờ lờ phiêu mi lưu đơ bồ ly à chứ khờ nào đơm hi ly à chứ khờ nào vơ gì mít show hi ly hằng chỉ phun đơ lệ ring go pa chang ba hang ngơ rok sơ toin đi tu Shirui li ring go pa shalam tơ sam cơ phăng vi va cơ băng a tâm lơ ra sung hay rơ lấy chi đam mơ xa bay giờ du lưu nơi sông dân rầm ly sam thân ly rơ ý thương vơ rê we khờ ngơ răng ly à chứ khờ nào vơ gì mít show hi ly hằng chỉ phun đơ lệ ring go pa chan ba hằng ngơ rok sơ 22 Shirui li ring go pa shalam Nick share.
Thank you so much, Ms. Horyala Kushum, for the beautiful number. We'll have a short time for presentation from Shri Kushim Vashum, Honorable Minister. So I would like to call upon Shri P.K. Jha, IAS Commissioner of Tourism, and Shri W. Ibohol Singh, the Director of Tourism. We are requested to kindly come over the stage and accept the presentation from our Minister.
Loi namak de pininga le tu bong si egi director ipohol tourism na waki ba for the last 4 years ado a commissioner si mamang da lakwa cha si da egi akhoi district level committee ki on behalf ta si me mamang da pi ge.
Thank you. I would like to request Sri W. Ibohol Singh, the Director of Tourism, to kindly step forward and accept the gift. Check. Shri Ibohol Singh is unavailable at the moment, so one of his staff has accepted the gift. Thank you so much, Honorable Minister, for the time of presentation. We have come to the end of the program. I would like to request Shri Krishna Kumar, IAS Deputy Commissioner of UKHRUL District, to kindly come to the stage and deliver the vote of thanks.
distinguished dignitaries on dais, special invitees, respected seniors officers from the state, district level officers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It's my privilege and honor to propose this vote of thanks on this important occasion, that is 4th edition of Shirui Luli Festival 2022. First of all, on behalf of district administration and also organizing committee of Shirui Luli Festival, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our chief guest of today's function, Honorable Minister Sri T.H. Biswajit sir. I would also extend my sincere gratitude to President of Function Sri Khasim Wasum sir. I would also extend my sincere thanks to our Honorable MP Raj Sabha Sri L. Sanajova sir. Also, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Minister H. Dingo, Honorable MLA Sri Ramuiva sir, Honorable MLA Sri Sir Lesio. I would also extend my thankfulness to our Madam Srimati A. Sarda Devi, President BJP, Adhyaksha Imphal West, Sri Somtai Saija. I would also extend my sincere gratitude to our Additional Chief Secretary Sir, Sri Bumlun Mang sir, for his kind presence in this auspicious occasion. I am also extremely thankful to our Commissioner Tourism and his team for his valuable contribution, advices, motivation and also encouragement in all our efforts to make this program as a grand success. As we know that so far people from outside, they were just imagining and reading about this important flower. But now, because of this festival, they are having an opportunity to witness and also to visit a hill range which is covered by the pink, droppy, whitish, bluish, bell-shaped, unique flower that is Shirui Lily, state flower of our state, which blooms only in the hill ranges of Shirui only. In last 4 days have been full of fun and entertainment. I hope people, those who have come from the other states across the country who are here for the event, enjoyed to the fullest and found all the items also such as the rock concert, camping, outdoor activities, flower shows, indigenous cuisine, display of colorful folk dances, cultural shows, stage shows, beauty pageants, indigenous games, which is worth to cherish. Now, as we come to the end of this vibrant and colorful event, I must extend my sincere thanks to all the honorable chairmen and convener, members of various committees, subcommittees, those who have worked very hard to make this event as a grand success. I would also extend my sincere gratitude and also deep sense of appreciation to our Superintendent of Police for the maintaining law and order and also traffic management. I'm also thankful to all the district level officials, my SDOs, and all the members, those who are involved in this festival to make it successful. Special thanks to civil society organizations, village authorities, of Shirui and adjoining villages for the support rendered to the organizing committees and the district administration UKHRUL. My thanks also goes to the media person for providing wide coverage and publicity not only in the state but also all over the country. As we back in this celebrating the colorful festival, let us not forget to contribute our part to the protection, preservation and promotion of the unique Shirui lily and its habitat in the coming days. As no program can become successful with a single person, so last but not the least, I would again extend my deep sense of appreciation to all the visitors, tourists, and people of UKHRUL. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
With the vote of thanks, we have come to an end of the closing ceremony of the Shirui Lily Festival 2022. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries who have made this opening ceremony a grand and a detailed one. Thank you so much.